All right, 11.5, apply the distance and midpoint formulas. All right, so today we're going to do distance formula. The distance D between any 2 points x1, y1, and x2, y2 is D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared.
What? This looks confusing.
Just the distance formula. You have an x and a y and an x and a y. So it's this x minus this x squared plus this y minus this y squared. And then you take the square root of it all.
We've done something exactly like this, Joey. When you put the x2 over minus
Oh,
x1
right,
over
right.
the... Whoa, that says ah.
What?
I just realized that said ah
Oh, where?
on the board.
No, that where?
Where it says ah
Where?
Where?
on the board.
It's a dot.
Oh, right there. It's right there. Where?
That's not okay.
All right.
Huh?
5, -9 is the first point, and 8, -9 is the second point. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So the formula, D equals the square root of x2, so that's going to be 8 minus 5 squared plus -9 minus -9 squared So then the square root of 8 minus 5 is
Three.
3 squared
Wait.
plus -9 minus -9 is
-18.
8.
0.
0.
Oh, wow.
Okay, -9 minus minus, that becomes plus 9, so that goes away. So this is, huh?
What unit is this?
11.5. So 3 squared is 9. So the square root of 9 is 3.
That doesn't look too horrendous. Oh, that bothered me. Just like a monkey head just chilling.
The body's right here.
Do you want the head?
Feeling guilty now?
It probably won't stay. It's also backwards.
I know. I was trying to get it to stare at Joey. You know, let's just go like that. You feel shame, Joey?
Feeling guilty?
You feel shame?
You feel guilty?
It's looking right at you.
You know what I mean?
Yes, it is.
You know what I mean? You don't look right at me. You'll be alive.
6.
But it's,
First point is 5, 1. Second point is 0, 3. So x1, y1, x2, y2. The distance is the square root of x2, 0, minus x1 is 5 squared plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 1. So 3 minus 1 squared. So negative 5 squared is what?
Negative 5 squared.
25 plus 3 minus 1
2.
squared.
4.
So this is the square root of 29. And that's your answer.
We don't have to square root it.
You can just leave it.
Shoot.
But if it's like -9, like it's something that
If it was like something that you would know, like a perfect square, then yes. But you have a couple minutes.
I goofed.
I'm watching. 8, 2, 4, and negative 5, 0. Alright, so what's x1?
2.
Minus 5.
That's 2.
Okay, that's x2. y1
4.
and y2 is 0. So then the square root of, what do I put there?
Negative 5 minus 2. And then 0 minus 4.
Alright, so negative 5 minus 2 is
Negative 7.
negative 7 squared is
49.
49. Negative 4 squared is
24. What? 16.
16.
I guess 24.
I don't know.
So then this is equal to the square root of what?
65?
65.
Hey, Chris.
What?
I'm saying hey, Chris.
Oh, is it okay?
What? In
Hey, Chris.
No, I'll do that.
There's just like a little bit of that.
I mean, Chris. Oh, my calculator.
Triangle.
Which one?
No, the circle.
Remember how fat I am?
Yeah, let's talk about the fat goblin that was you.
Is that called Chris fat?
Alright, 10.
I called him a fat goblin.
Negative 10, 8, and 2, negative 3. So what do I put
I
in?
won't call you fat anymore. Well, I
It
probably
would
will.
be
Just don't
2
think
minus
about it.
10.
Minus negative, so it's going to be minus a negative 10.
Yeah. And then negative 3 minus 8.
Negative 3 minus 8 squared. So 2 minus a negative 10 is what?
Negative 8.
12.
12.
Are you right?
2 minus.
So this is going to be 12 squared plus negative 3 minus 8.
5. But no.
3 plus 8 and put a negative sign on it. Negative 11 squared. What's 12 squared?
144.
144. It's 11 squared.
110. Wait, no.
11 squared, 121.
Yes.
Wow.
And so then this is the square root of
265.
It's simple math.
Alright, you can go ahead and go if you want. We're just gonna do one more problem.
I think I'm good on this.
Are you doing your stuff?
And then it'll just be the odd problems for
Yeah, I can have one.
Alright, 11, because the other ones all have decimals and stuff. Alright, the point 7, 5, and negative 12, negative 1.
Negative 12 minus 7 squared plus negative 1 minus 5 squared.
Alright, so negative 12 minus 7 is
Negative 19.
I think like negative 19.
negative 19 squared plus negative 1 minus 5.
Negative 6.
Negative 6 squared.
36. Oh, wait, my bad. Wait, no.
Well, yeah, that's fine. I don't think you know what 19 squared is off the top of your head, so I'm gonna do that.
I think it's 212.
Wait, how long have you been teaching here?
It's 281.
3 years.
It's 281.
361.
See, I
Ah,
was
I
close.
got it right.
All right, 361 plus, you said 6 squared was 36. So what is that?
That's 397.
How do you
Yes,
write so
sir.
fast? I can't remember.
Don't do the shake.
Because I've been writing for a long time.
Should have been writing for a
Also,
while.
I was,
Any questions about these ones?
I was confused at first, but like,
Yeah, that's pretty.
it just took a second. Like my gears
Yeah.
were a little heavy.
This is just kind of like a little bit of a prerequisite to get you ready for geometry.
I'm not ready for that.
Well,
You know what sucks? I'm taking consumer math next year. Like it's just like a back step.
I'd almost rather take consumer math than that.
Well, I mean, the problem is yeah, I've already taken it. I just like, yeah.
Wait, James, what are you playing on? Just right now.
I also had Coach Hunter as a math teacher, so that's
all right, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are your problems.
All right, word.
Say less.
All right.
I might just